Hi friends, welcome to markoinsights. In this video, we are going to discuss about diversity marketing. It is also known as inclusive, inclusion, or in-culture marketing. Diversity marketing is including people of various ethnicities, genders, sexualities, religious beliefs, and others as the recipients of the product of the marketing process. It stresses on inclusiveness and harmony between different communities. In short, diversity marketing is a means of hyper targeting a marketing campaign in a way that will connect with the widest variety of people within a target market. Let's look at some strategies to develop effective diversity marketing campaigns. Number one is embrace diversity in your creative team. To create authentic messaging for a diverse market, it is very important that your creative team reflects the market you are trying to reach. Number two, make data a centerpiece. To develop an effective diversity marketing campaign, it is important to understand the subgroup you are talking to inside out. A simple focus group test would have prevented Dolce & Gabbana's Chinese campaign disaster. Number three, build from ground up. Messaging should be unique for each group, recognizing its specific needs, desires, and connections with the brand. Do not cut and paste a brand message and adapt it to fit each new target group. Number 4. Understand the language of inclusivity. Learn how to craft a diversity statement that you can use to showcase the efforts you are making as a company. Number 5. Let customers have a voice. This could be done through various ways like customer interviews, feedbacks, and user generated content, etc. Let's look at examples of good diversity campaigns. The campaign which tops the chart is Coca-Cola's campaign during 2019 Super Bowl. The campaign was titled A Coke is a Coke and is a brilliant example of campaign having inclusion and diversity beautifully portrayed. The campaign was a huge hit of course and was loved by all. Next example is of Guinness's wheelchair basketball commercial. This ad portrayed six men playing basketball on wheelchair. At the end, it turns out only one of them was actually wheelchair bound, and others were just playing so that their friend could also play. Next one is Harley Davidson's Freedom for All campaign. It is also a very good example of diversity marketing. Let's look at some examples of diversity campaigns gone wrong. This was a campaign launched by Dolce & Gabbana in China where an Asian woman was shown handling chopsticks clumsily to eat Italian food. The commercial was tagged as racist and was worst ever. In fact, the backlash was so bad that D&G had to cancel their fashion show in Shanghai. The next example is of the photo tweeted by University of Missouri, where they depicted four students, two blacks and two whites. Interestingly, the white students were tagged as future doctors and engineers, whereas the black students were just African Americans. Next example is of Pepsi's commercial with Kendall Jenner, where it was said that the ad was trivializing the black movement in the country. The commercial got a lot of backlash from people from different walks of life. So this was all about diversity marketing. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If yes, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and give us your reviews in the comment section. Hit the bell icon so you do not miss out on any such interesting content in future. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.